In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create process on Asana. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable workflow that your team can follow with confidence, from the first task to the final handoff. We'll start by planning and mapping out your process before touching Asana. Choose one specific process to document, like onboarding a new client or handling an event request. Define where the process starts, what triggers it, and what a successful finish looks like. Then list every step from beginning to end. Write them as clear, actionable tasks, and note who is responsible for each one, along with any inputs, approvals, or deliverables they need to provide. Arrange these steps in a logical sequence so the workflow tells a simple story. If you spot handoffs between people or teams, mark them. If certain tasks depend on others finishing first, note those dependencies. A little clarity here prevents confusion later. Now let's build that process inside Asana. Create a new project to house it, and pick the view that fits your team's style, like list for linear work or board for stage-based work. Add one task for each step you mapped. In every task, write a short, specific description that explains what good looks like. Include the standard operating procedure, links to resources or templates, and any acceptance criteria. Assign each task to the correct owner and set due dates where they make sense. For complex steps, add subtasks to create a simple checklist so nothing gets missed. Use comments for context and attach files your team will need. If some tasks must wait for others, set dependencies to make the order unmistakable. The goal is that any teammate can open a task and know exactly what to do, by when, and how to do it. Once your project feels solid, standardize it so you don't rebuild it every time. Save the project as a template. This locks in the structure, task descriptions, subtasks, and fields you've set up. When you need to run the process again, duplicate the template to create a fresh project, then fill in the specific details like names, dates, and unique requirements. For processes with variable details, add custom fields to track items like request type, priority, or stage. And if you collect requests from others, create a form that automatically generates new tasks or projects with the right fields populated. With planning, a clear build, and a reusable template, your process in Asana becomes consistent, scalable, and easy to run every time.